Papunta na kami ng Osaka. So, early morning. Hayo. Early morning, 7:30 kasi yung ticket namin. So, umalis kami dun sa bahay nung nila Ate Kate ng mga 5, no? 5 in the morning.
Kasi yung rush hour. May iwasan natin yun.
Tsaka kasi 7:30 yung schedule. May schedule talaga, 7:30. So, ayun. Buti wala masyado pang tao. Dito na kami sa ticketing office. Although, bumili na kami sa club. Magpapasis na lang. Ayan. So, kahapon nawala si King King. Andito pa talaga ako. Ayun. Ngayon din kukunin yung niya. Yung katawan niya sa bahay. Ina-arrange na namin. So, ayun. Ipapa-acclimate natin si King. Para kasama pa rin natin siya sa bahay. Ayan, update ko kayo guys. And ito yung train station nila dito. Ayan, so kung sa Singapore ay gulong-gulo na ako. Lalo pala dito, ano po nga. Parang hindi pa ata yan yung buong JR line lang ata. Yung buong MRT train system ng Japan ay mas malala. Pero so far, hindi pa naman tayo naliligaw-ligaw. Guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa loob ng station. Ang lamig! Hintay lang natin yung train. 7:24 siya darating. So, dito na tayo sa, tawag nito, platform, ano nga ba ito? Platform 15. Papuntang, Osaka, Shin Osaka. Bumili na pala kami ng pagkain. Lumalamig na siya. Tagal naman nung sabi approaching na eh. Bili na kami ng pagkain. Ito, mga onigiri. Tapos itong kape. Coffee is life. Kakain na lang tayo sa train. Ayan. Ito yung mga maleta na. Umaandar na. Eksakto 7:24. Umalis na din siya. Buti maaga kami. Hindi kami naiwan. Yung itsura niya parang nasa aeroplano ka lang din.
19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Hi guys! Dito na tayo sa Osaka. Mas mainit dito. Akala ko mas malamig. Kasi sa Tokyo sobrang lamig. City yun. So dito, ang init tanghali. Mga 12 something na local time. Pero mas maraming mga autumn kineme dito. Ayan. Ayan. Pero mainit. Dito ko ata masusuot yung mga pa-light jacket natin, mga mamshi. Yan. Ayun si Dadoy. Pupunta kami sa sa Osaka Castle. Ayan.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to
More danger. Here, I do this and this. That's amazing. No. Very shy. More danger. This from Canada. Very beautiful. Very expensive. From America. Very good.
Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't say if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
May gusto. Lamig. T-shirt ka lang, Doy.
Oo. Nakadoble naman ako.
Saan nga yun? Saan nga tayo pupunta? Pauwi na kami, guys. Kumain kami ng dinner. Ayan, Doy na.
Nabidyoan mo yung kumakanta.
Hello guys. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Ayan. Kami pabalik na kami dun sa ano. Pinagsistayan namin. Ang lamig sa Airbnb. Ayan. Kaninang tanghali napakainit kasi maaraw. Ngayong gabi, malamig na dito sa Osaka. Ayan. Ayan si Dadoy.
Hi! Lamig.
Lamig.
Please subscribe. Comment.
Ayan, nasa ano na kami. Sa Japan. Nasa Osaka, Japan.
Kung may gusto kayong content, please subscribe and comment.
Lamig.
May nakita kami nagpe-perform.
Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya kumanta.
Hindi lang namin maintindihan kasi Japan. Pero yung ano niya, yung
high notes niya.
high
Ang
notes niya,
ganda.
maganda yung high notes niya, saka yung low notes niya.
Galing, no? Parang recorded. Recorded yung ano, kahit live.
You can
Galing.
check her you can check his email or email, check his account.
Instagram.
Yan sa Instagram. Face, ang ano niya, FASB.
7-Eleven. Ice cream. May kinain kami ice cream kahapon. Napakasarap.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings
Ito masarap
as
po.
the
Na-try na.
chemicals that take us higher.
Okay ka na, Doy?
The night's young,
Pabili ka na?
and
Ayan,
it's
tubig.
just
Bili kami ng tubig.
begun. As she puts her
May bayad
hand in
yung mga plastic.
mine.
Kung gusto mo.
We wanna chase the night